Are you searching for a natural and easy way to boost your health and well-being? Look no further. I'm excited to share a simple morning drink recipe that can transform your health journey. This drink is easy to make and packed with incredible benefits. Just a few minutes each morning can make a big difference. Are you ready to jumpstart your health? Let's break down the 3 key ingredients: warm water, lemon juice, and apple cider vinegar. Each one plays a vital role. Warm water kickstarts your metabolism and helps with digestion. Lemon juice, a natural detoxifier, is packed with vitamin C to boost your immune system. Finally, apple cider vinegar works wonders for weight management by promoting satiety and aiding in blood sugar control. Imagine starting your day feeling refreshed and energized. That's the power of this simple drink. It's not magic. It's just harnessing the goodness of nature. I challenge you to embrace a 7-day transformation. Start each morning with this powerful drink for a week. Experience the positive changes firsthand. You might notice improved digestion, increased energy levels, and even a little help with weight management. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results. After your 7-day challenge, share your experience. Tell your friends and family about the positive changes you've noticed. Spread the word about this simple yet powerful morning drink. Let's embark on a journey of wellness together.